does. Dude, what I was thinking, what if I could have thrown down?
I don't even want to think about that, dude. I don't even want to think that.
We're going, we're sending it, we're going uphill.
We're being aggressive, yeah. Dude, this is steep.
Jeez. Be careful.
We're not coming back this way, because if it's like raining or something,
Dude, you got enough gas?
I didn't even notice that. Oh, yeah. Oh, chipmunk.
Oh, look at that. No gas.
Got a nut. Gas, dude. You don't need gas. The Joey wants you to think.
Gas is cheap. We're out of gas, we just push it up the hill.
Yeah, that's right. Damn right. I'll push this shit home, dude. Let's get juiced. That just pump me up.
You know what? Rally this baby. Oh, yeah.
I don't want to get too close. Oh, this is a tight turn. Dude, this is the caliber road that we attempted in the snow. Like that's I don't know why we even attempted that.
You're the type of rethinking.
And not even have snow tires. That move, dude.
Spin the tires on
Those sticky. Yeah, remember they're smoking. Oh yeah. Dude, oh
yeah.
My god.
Jeez.
Dude, I guarantee this ain't even a trailhead. We're gonna have to go back down.
Right, we don't start. Does this take us to the top of the trail?
Yeah, it starts at the top. We gotta walk to the bottom.
Dang.
That's ridiculous, dude. I'm getting kind of teased now.
We are going up the hill, going up the mountaintop.
Hey, seriously, what does it smell? It doesn't smell like oil. You feel my car, man? It's not going great.
Okay, we're at the top.
I think I'm spinning like crazy. That's the problem. Dude, I'm trying to get some momentum up this one.
Yeah, you get some speed.
Holy hell, dude. Yeah, we tried to do this in the snow, bro.
Dang.
What the fuck?
That's nuts. We were way up there. I think we're at the top.
Dude, maybe it's a blessing that Jeep came around, because what if we made it over the crest and shit, they got stuck way back there? Tire rubbing on the rim.
What?
What if it got low?
Oh, shoot. Looking good?
Everything looks fine. Alright, that freaked me out for a second.
That puppy warm?
Okay, now let's take me out first, though.
Here we go, going back down again.
Oh boy. Alright, so Google says we're at the trail. As you guys can see, we're right here. That's good. Thanks, Google. There's a whale in the middle of the woods. Oh, what's this? Oh, it's a day trail. That's not where we want to be, though. I thought we did this.
Dang.
Mark Gully, yeah, right. Field.
Oh, it took us to Clark Gully.
That's where we're trying to go, right? Clark's?
Clark's.
Oh. Oh, that one's on me. My bad.
Nice scenery. Ooh, we got some pavement.
Oh yeah, I feel the grip. Nice house here.
Yeah.
Very nice. Whoa. Oh boy, here we go. Here's some speed on this blacktop. We're gonna
Back
chill out.
to the dirt.
Pull the e-brake, drift down SVG style.
Left ride.
Did you get that?
Yeah.
Jeez.
That was close.
Yeah, pro tip, don't grab on dead decayed sticks.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah,
trail.
we got some water.
Oh, we pressed that.
I actually would feel 100% comfortable pressing that.
Oh yeah, it's coming back to me now. No. Whew.
Not humid though, really. So that's cool.
Thank goodness.
Yeah. Sometimes
I'll have to cut that out too. No, freaking bug. That's it.
this is it.
I'll
There's
count.
a different rope now on the other side too.
Can you tell me what's that up ahead?
So up ahead we have an extremely waterfall, but it's pretty cool looking, so I appreciate it. Oh, that log's gone, dude. It washed out.
Oh man.
Whoa. So look at that. They got a rope on the other side now.
Whoa.
How weird. Whoa. It looks totally different, dude.
Wow.
Without that log.
Yeah.
Did you swim here with me last year?
No.
Here we go. Here, you know, Mark, let me, oh, you're recording us?
I'm getting action shots.
Oh, yes, let's go. I was gonna record you. Dang. Dude, this side's way easier to go up.
Really?
Yeah, remember last year it was like kind of sketchy.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
shoot.
be careful.
Yeah.
Every step, every step.
I'm being too focused on the footage.
We'll pass the camera back and forth and film, you know, simultaneously film each other going up. Yikes. There's some give there, huh?
Yeah. Kind of. Nice.
Let's go. First climb. And we're up. Yeah, you know, I gotta lock in.
Okay.
It's a little dicey. You know, just plenty of places to put your feet. Just make sure you choose the right ones. Oh shit! I see lean toward the wall. Oh, you can throw it up.
Yeah. Ready?
Yep. Mark making a climb up here and work.
Yeah, you're looking tense.
That's at least a 200-foot vert. You know, he just got right up it. Let's go.
Yeah, 200-foot vert right here. Is that really?
No.
Oh.
Dude, that's like 1, 2. That'd be cool if there's like a trout trap in one of these.
Dang, eat that up.
Whoa, look at this.
Whoa.
Dude, this looks so different with the low water.
Yeah. This is wild. Oh, I remember this part.
Oh, you know what I'm gonna do? I have a better place to put my phone so I can still take pictures. Okay, so we used to have assistance of a rope right here. It looks like it's been taken down. So we're gonna try to figure out a way up here.
Oh, I think we tripped this way once.
Okay.
I think the first time I tripped this way.
Okay, let's try it out.
Yeah.
Looks like a solid route.
Black ground where my feet are right now. I just gotta be careful.
All right, looks like Mark found out a good solution to the no rope issue. I thought there was a rope here though, maybe not.
I could try and throw the rope down if you want.
Is it bunched up there? No, your way looks super easy. I'll take that. But I'm gonna pass the GoPro up to you in a second here. Working my way up the waterfall here. Yeah. 2 white dudes in the GoPro, you know what that means? This is not for the faint of heart, dude. I go in here. Yeah, you be just don't slip, dude. You're walking up the water. Thank you.
Welcome. Dang.
Yeah, the rope starts over here.
That was a sweet. Oh yeah. Thanks.
I think we. Why do we even have to go up the rope?
No, I think we just did it going down here. And
Okay.
actually, we don't have to actually.
Yeah, let's keep walking. See if we could avoid that.
Yeah. Action shot.
Yeah, I don't know why we ever went up that freaking rope.
We just had a major adrenaline rush.
Uh-huh. We never even came to check this out in the winter, did we?
No,
I don't remember.
we didn't. No, I think
so.
I think maybe we thought it was too dangerous. I'm guessing.
Yeah, that's what I'm guessing. That would make sense.
I remember we were walking here for like 2 minutes. Our guys, this is probably it. There's nothing coming up.
Yeah, and there's like a million more things.
Maybe we'll see another one. Whoa, Colin.
What's up?
Look to your right.
Oh man. Some sort of side quest.
Maybe another future quest.
Yeah. Well, maybe when the water's flowing more. Doesn't really look worth it right now.
Yeah, it looks dangerous. Maybe some truck.
Because coming back down would be crazy.
Yeah. Wow, that looks steep as heck.
Yeah, it does. Oh, you think that's steep?
Really?
You just wait.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, you just wait. Freaking pigs. First time ever encountering one dead or alive. That's something.
Yeah. At least if it gets clean still, you see how they actually look like. See when they're alive.
For sure. I think I'm gonna head up the right side here.
Okay.
You think this is steep?
This?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I'll just wait.
Jeez. Wow. Are you nervous or excited?
A little bit. Little mix of both. You gotta tread carefully as all.
Going up.
Back to the Alpine.
Going back to the Alpine, baby.
Over here, so it's really all loose stone here.
Wow. Get some dynamic shots. Oh yeah.
Sketchy part.
Oh, this is the fun part.
We're into the part where we haven't. Just choose wisely here.
Okay.
It's very slippery. FYI.
Thank you. Oh yeah.
Oh, of course.
Make it look more intense.
Dong, 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 dong. Look at that.
Oh, thank you. Wow. I remember when I first got my GoPro, I wanted to make like a dramatic climbing scene, so I went to like the junkyard, you know, right by Broadway, right before you lost your GoPro.
Yeah.
And I put the GoPro on my head. I made it like so intense, like it took me like 20 minutes just to climb up it.
Are you serious?
Yeah, yeah.
That's like me and Jake crossed like that rail bridge when I first.
Oh yeah, you got that on video, right?
Yeah, it's on my channel.
Oh, I think I'm subbed to you. Creek Mouse was a sub, I think. Oh.
I haven't posted in a couple years.
Dang. Oh yes.
You know, I noticed like when I'm taking off, when I'm stepping up with something wet and stepping up to the next thing, that's when I really slip because I go to put a lot of force into it.
Right.
So that's just something to keep in mind.
Okay, thank you. Dun, dun. Oh yeah.
Yeah, here it is.
This is where I almost slipped last year too.
Yeah, this part is hairy.
Oh yeah.
I think lower water is gonna be our friend. I think.
Ooh.
Just walk on this shit, dude.
Okay, thank you.
Stuff really counts. It's like half dry, half wet, half algae.
Yeah, we get hurt up here.
This part's really hairy.
Ooh.
You know what? Get across down there where you are.
Okay.
You shoot up the right. This is definitely the hard.
Yeah, for sure.
Like quite a bit.
Wow, look at that view.
On the way up and throwing them out. Yeah, that's cool. Got through it.
Wow.
Lower water definitely made it a bit easier.
Yeah, for sure. Look at that view.
Be careful there.
Okay, thank you.
Little shitty here. Oh, dude, it's probably the same person.
What the heck?
Same MO, you know?
Oh yeah, that water is cold.
Nice. Don't grab on that.
Okay.
Huh. Yeah, you switched to Coors Light. They're just up here slamming them.
More?
Yeah, dude, another one right there. Another
What
one
the
right
heck?
there. I hate limited bugs.
I know. I wish I could meet him.
I guarantee you there are.
Probably, yeah. Oh yeah. This is nuts.
This is crazy. Here we go, dude. Uncharted territory.
Let's go.
Uncharted territory.
Dang, I see what you did there, Jeremy Wade.
Oh, yeah. I see a big wall up ahead.
No. Oh,
Think I might see a rope to the left.
I do.
Dun,
Oh my gosh.
dang.
Huh. Oh, dude, you ain't kidding.
Dang, dude.
Whoa.
This is intense.
Oh,
Oh my god. Dude, it looks steeper. in person.
oh my gosh, dude.
Oh.
Oh god. Holy F.
Yeah.
Ah.
It looks like once you make it past that greenery, look at a little. It doesn't do. It looks like there's some stairs. Yeah. You want me to go first?
Yes, please.
Yeah.
This might be one person on a rope.
Let's revel in this. Oh, we're definitely one person on a rope.
Oh man.
Hoochie mama. Heck, you want to, yeah.
Just be very careful. And if you fall, that's gonna.
It's gonna hurt.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a broken leg. Maybe more.
Guaranteed. Whoa.
Oh my
Dude.
gosh.
Like, that's nuts.
I'm thinking, I wonder what's around that corner.
soaking wet. Softer than knife. As always, rope is not between my legs. I'm not using it as a primary lever, more as an emergency. You know?
Right.
Every step counts. There, I used it as a primary hold.
You okay?
It's straight up.
Oh man.
Oh!
You're high. You are high, dude.
Yeah, it's gonna be a steep cut here. Oh! Hold on to the rope, that's all I gotta say.
Okay.
Whoa! Dude, I haven't had a drill like this in years.
Dude, you are a tiny dot on my GoPro.
Dang. Dude, watch out in that steep part. I literally would have fallen if I wasn't holding on to the rope.
Really? Okay, thank you.
Dry up here.
Oh man.
That was pretty good after that. Holy sh**.
Okay. Oh well. Okay. Here we go. There's the cliff. Getting the overhang. Colin's up there at the top. Ooh, this is steep. Very steep.
Dang, let's go. Dude, look down, isn't that intense?
Oh my gosh, dude!
Dude, that gave me adrenaline like I haven't had in years.
Whoa, look at that. There's Colin way up there. You could see, you see him waving high. Wow. Wow.
Wow, dude. You made it past the hard part.
Okay.
Still, every step counts.
Yeah.
Dude, that was, I can't believe those rocks came out. I gotta see that on video, bro.
Wow. Dude, that view. That is way up there. We did it. Almost. I still gotta get to the top. I'm trying to take this as serious as I was in the beginning. Yeah, just tie her up. Wow. Oh, baby. Okay.
Yeah, when we get here, we're only 3/4 of the way up. But it's
Whoa. As we used to say as kids, for the footage.
Dang, dude, that was nuts.
Did you take this way?
No, I
Okay.
came up all the way up. Oh. Welcome to the top.
Oh, we did it? Oh,
Welcome to the top.
we did it to the top. Jeez.
Dang.
Wow.
It would, dude, because like literally,
Whoa.
my foot gave out, man. I just like gripped.
Colin's over there. I'm walking up here. Okay. Oof. Oh yeah. Wow, dude, that's even higher up. Let's all do this.
I can't believe that.
Yeah. Okay, we're back on the trail, baby. Made the So to climb the, what would you say, at least 100-foot waterfall or dried up?
That shit was nuts.
A lot of birding activity.
You really hear the rocks break in that video too.
That was cool. You got that on video. I can't.
Well, here we go again.
I guess it's too far to turn around now. We can't.
We're going up the right side there, dude.
The GoPro does not do this justice. I might stand back when we get close to just have you walk when you walk up to it to really get the size of it, the scale, because this is crazy.
Wow. Dude, this is almost just as big.
Is there a rope?
No. There's a path up the side.
Okay, at least it doesn't look as steep.
Oh, dude, this isn't bad.
Really? Okay.
Well, it just feels like there's an NDA around it. This part here is all heavy.
Okay, sweet. You are high though.
No, near it's steep.
Okay. Ooh. Ah. Ooh. Could be a pain.
Yeah, it would.
Gets a dramatic effect with the feet near the edge. Oh yeah. Wow. You always think we're at the top here.
Yeah. Who knows what the heck's next?
Whew. Going up. Higher grounds.
Damn, it's cooking.
I know. Are you gonna go underwater?
Yeah.
Dang.
I like the rush.
Nice rock face.
The 11-mile Bristol Hills hike.
Oh, the one we were thinking about doing?
Yeah. If we started earlier, we probably would have done it.
Dang.
Yeah, that's the one they were climbing though, dude. This is cool. It looks like up top the sun is gone though.
Whoa. That's nuts.
There's no ropes. Like you scoot up the left side here.
That's
Oh,
nuts.
there's a rope now. It's
Oh,
in the
wow.
first half there isn't, then you hook on that rope. You see it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dang. That's crazy.
And like right when you get up, there's like that swing, and then immediately after that swing, there's like a posted sign.
Okay, wow.
Footprints here, dude.
Wow, yeah, we're using our ice cleats here. Yeah. Whoa. Oh yeah. Going.
Dang.
Oh.
That's intense.
Like a dramatic effect. Oh yeah.